kids, do you know why do we hiccup? A hiccup is a sudden hic sound you can't control. It happens because of a muscle called the diaphragm. When it suddenly jumps, air rushes in. You can hiccup if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or laugh a lot. Don't worry, they're usually harmless. To stop them, try drinking water slowly, or holding your breath, but not for too long. Count up to 6. Calm breathing also helps. Eating slowly can help prevent hiccups. Hiccups equals a jumping breathing muscle. Have you ever had hiccups? Tell me in the comments.